Here's a quick tutorial on how you can use COHO to stay on top of compliance. First, open the compliance panel and you'll get an overview of all the compliance across all your properties. Here, you can easily filter by document, expiry date and property, so you know exactly what's due, where it's needed and when action is required. If you open up a property and see a document is expired, click on that property and scroll down until you find where action is needed. Here, you can clearly see the certificate as well as how many days it has been expired. Click on Add New Certificate, fill in the valid from and to dates, upload the document, and it will automatically be put on your COHO dashboard. For any reminders, click on the cog in the right hand corner. From there, you can set how many weeks notice you want before it's due, as well as switch on Create Maintenance Issue automatically if you would rather COHO raise the follow-up job itself. Finally, when a renewal is due, it will show up as an action with the due date on your calendar. When action is needed, simply click on the task and update the document.